Today we're making sushi. To make the rice, I'm gonna use sushi rice because it's for sushi. Before cooking the rice, I like to rinse it to see if there's any gold. Oh man, nothing this time. Next, you're gonna heat 1 1/4 cup of water. Karen, thanks. Add the rice, tuck them in good night for about 20 minutes. When you're making sushi, you wanna make sure you choose avocados that are ripe. I'm not very good at this, so what I like to do is sit back, just wait till someone else picks their avocados, and then place them in a bag, and then put them in the cart. Once they walk away, I just go ahead and grab them. Now I know I have some good ones. Do your thing. We're gonna be making some simple cucumber avocado sushi. I'm gonna use the seedless cucumbers because I don't like to eat cucumber babies. We're gonna go ahead and cut these up into thin slices, almost like matchsticks. Next, we're gonna go ahead and shred some carrots. If you don't like to shred your fingers, just use the matchstick carrots from the store. I like the extra protein, so I just went ahead and shredded them. For the sushi rice, we're gonna add a little bit of rice vinegar, and then we're gonna use our fork to fork it. When you're forking the rice, be careful not to damage the rice berries. This brand didn't have a warranty. Go ahead and set the rice on the side for about 15 minutes to cool. The guy at the sushi buffet just said to use a bamboo mat with plastic wrap. So we're gonna use this. To cut the sushi, I'm gonna use a sashimi knife. This is the only time I ever get to use this thing. There are many ways to make your roll, but I'm gonna do a seaweed one and a rice one. I got my wraps from the dollar store, so I guess you get what you pay for. The next one's gonna be with rice on the outside. First you start with a layer of rice, and then half a wrap. After you cut your roll, you'll have something that looks like this. Now for the termite roll. And there's it. And this is what you should end up with. Sprinkle with some toasted sesame seed. Done.